Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone LARIMAR, the stone of spirituality. And for those who are just watching my channel for the first time, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to start incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of LARIMAR, then I'll link that in the eye above, just in case you want to pause this video and go watch that one to learn a little bit more about the supportive benefits of working with LARIMAR, the stone of spirituality. If you do have a piece of LARIMAR, then I do suggest going to get that and putting that by your meditation area, but you do not have to have a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. If any of the prompts that I bring up during the meditation really call to you or feel familiar or they trigger you in a way, then that's a sign that you should get that gemstone and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need before we start this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion, on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. Whatever is most comfortable for you and allow you to be comfortable but remain alert for about 10 minutes during this meditation. So if you have your gemstone or you're ready to picture this sea green or sea blue gemstone in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to what it feels like in your body to be breathing right now. And then moving your attention to your physical body and noticing if there are any sensations that stand out to you right now. And moving to your heart center to see what emotions might be with you right now. And then moving to your mind to check in with the state of your mind. Is it busy? Is it calm? And we're not trying to change anything or fix anything. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And bringing that attention down to those places on your body that are touching the chair or the floor beneath you, and remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over the center, and you are perfectly and completely supported by the earth. You have access to all of its energy, and you will be protected and supported during this guided meditation today. If you do have a piece of LARIMAR, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will be receiving the energies of the gemstone today. If you don't have a piece of the gemstone, then picturing a sea blue, a light blue stone in your mind. And then if you're holding your stone, take a minute to feel this stone, to run your fingers over the surface, to feel where it might be smooth or rough, if there's a crack, the weight of it in your hand. And take a minute to get to know your piece of Larimar. And then noticing if anything in your body, your heart and mind has changed since you've picked up the gemstone. And then imagine you're sitting under an umbrella in the shade by the beach, listening to the sounds of the water. And sit with this image of Larimar energy for a minute. Larimar is the stone of spirituality. And as you hold or imagine this stone in your mind, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Do you need to relax, relieve stress, or take some time to recuperate? Are there negative emotions that you need to release right now? Do you find it difficult to settle into meditation? Would you like to overcome self-doubt and self-sabotaging behaviors? Would you like to strengthen your connection to your spirit and angel guides? Larimar is extremely supportive in all of these life situations. And if one of these scenarios stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your heart, your mind, and your body. And sit with that for another minute or two while you hold the stone or imagine it. As you sit with the situation and the stone, then notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about this situation. And then notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, or your mind since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the LARIMAR energy. Release the situation that you were sitting with and just come back to your breathing. And then when you feel ready, then open your eyes. And thank you so much for joining me today to sit with LARIMAR and see if it's a gemstone that you feel a connection with. And if you do feel like LARIMAR is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really call up the support of the gemstone very quickly as soon as you pick it up. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom supports you in your everyday life. Knowing which gemstones will help you for the situations that are going on in your life right now, and then sitting with the gemstones, looking inward and seeing what you can uncover about that situation in your life and how to work with it. If you're new to this channel, I post about a different gemstone every week. And on Wednesdays, I post an informational video about a gemstone. And on Fridays, I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. So if you would like to have an in-depth study about how different crystals and gemstones can help you, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.